Great rice. Yeah man, planting day, you know. I have this big pot. Yeah, but it never come with no hole in it. So I wanna go pour some hole in it, you know. Yeah. Yeah man, so get the hole in it, you know. Yeah man, so get the hole in it, you know. Roots family, happy holidays. Yeah man, it's a few days away from Christmas, you know. A lot of people don't celebrate Christmas, but I think Christmas is all about spending time with family, you know. And if you love family, yeah man, then you will enjoy Christmas. Yeah man, welcome to the Herbalawes channel one more time. Yeah man, on YouTube. Yeah man, welcome Roots family. Yeah, welcome, welcome. Welcome gardening family around the world. You know, people who love gardening. Yeah. So, on this channel, we grow herbs for tea. Yeah man, we grow fruits and vegetables. But most of all, we grow herbs for tea. Yeah man, and it's planting day. Yeah. It's planting day. Yeah man, I get some hole in this pot. Because it never come with it, you know. Yeah. So what are we planting today? Yeah man, we have some parsley, some celery, yeah, and some dill. Yeah man, herbs, tea, herbs. Yeah man, natural herbs, you know. Yeah, and in today's episode, I want to share my secret to gardening. Yeah, my first secret is that I believe that the plant will grow. Yeah, that's my first secret. My other secret is that though I might use things that other people use, I believe that my signature is shown in what I do. So even though we plant the same plants, yeah, but my signature is in what I do. Yeah, man, that's my secret to gardening. Secret gardening tips. I am going to plant some vegetables, some herbs, you know, some parsley and some celery. But I have this big pot. Yeah. So first I bore some hole in the bottom of the pot. Yeah. Because there wasn't any hole in the pot. I saw the pot big enough for what I want to do. So I had to first get some hole in it. Yeah. After doing that, then I get some stones about this size and I place it in the bottom. I place some gravel in the bottom of it. Reason being, one of the problems with planting in pots is that the plant doesn't survive when the water is not draining properly. So another secret to gardening is to ensure that the soil, most of the problem is within the soil. Yeah, so if you don't have good soil, Yeah, that is a big problem. Yeah, the water have to be draining properly. I've done videos before, talking about some of the ways that you can know when the pot is draining properly. One, the pot start to topple over. The pot will not sit on the base anymore. It start to tumble over. The least little breeze come, topple it over. Why? Sometimes the root of the plant, yeah, start to cover up the drainage hole. Yeah? So that's another reason to place these stones in the bottom of the pot. The next is to get soil that is not too loose but also not too hard so that the water can go through properly. Yeah, man. It's time to get my soil in the pot. So you don't want the soil to be running out of the container so easily that you have to be keep on amending the soil or keep on adding soil too often. Yeah? So in that case, yeah, you're going to have different grades of soil. Yeah? So this one is a little bit lighter. So this other one is a little bit thicker. You can't be doing gardening and you're afraid for your hands to touch the soil. Yeah, when you touch the soil, you connect with the soil. Yeah. So you have to get your hands dirty. The next thing I don't want when watering my plants, then I have to, the dirt is getting on the plants. So I measure the pot, yeah, and see, you know, soil I put in before I add the plants. Especially if the plants are in a pot already and have some amount of soil, yeah. So I measure it. So I'm gonna plant mostly parsley in this one. My pot is filled now. So in this container I have dill and I have parsley. Yeah, man. So I put the parsleys at the edge and then the dill in the middle. Yeah. So, yeah, man. I should have put it exactly where I want it before I pull it up because it got hard to move. So as I said earlier, though we might use the same things, but I have my own secret. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna get some brace for in time. So I'm gonna ensure that the plant gets enough water. Yeah? So I'm gonna soak it properly. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah man, this one over here is called tarragon. Nice herb, you know? Nice spice. Celery. Yeah. Do well in a nice green juice, you know? Yeah man, if the pressure up, yeah man, the BP, the blood pressure up, yeah man, the celery and the parsley do well in the juice, you know? Yeah. Some seeds were in the soil in that raised bed garden and them catch. Like this one is a mango plant. So yeah, I'm gonna save them. Yeah, fruit tree can't too much, you know. This is apple, OTT apple. So it's 2 mango tree. Yeah, so I had to remove my shade cloth to get some more sunlight in the garden. Yeah, man. Beautiful, you know? Beautiful. So I hope you enjoy the episode today. Wow, spirit we that do well. Mm, yep, you know. Hope you enjoy us, you know. Planting some herbs today. Some celery, some dill, some tarragon. Yeah, man. And some parsley. Yeah. It's a vibe. Yeah, man. So that's my secret to gardening. Yeah. See you in another one.